Have you ever noticed that your most valuable insights don't come during the coaching session itself? They come afterwards when no one's watching and you finally have space to think. I've built a private AI-powered reflection space that gives leaders exactly that. It's accessible anytime through a clean WhatsApp-style interface, and you can speak or type whatever feels most natural to you. But this is where I'm imagining the messy thoughts will go, where the patterns will emerge, where clarity finally begins to form before your decisions are made. It's not about journaling. It's more about creating a habit of awareness, without the friction, without the formality, and without waiting for the next session. Because if you think about it, the real shifts, the ones that change how we lead, they don't happen in the coaching sessions. They happen in between them. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so on the screen you can see a very clean WhatsApp style interface that I can write into or speak into, and that's connected in the back end to a scenario like this, which has an AI brain. It has a simple memory, it uses the internet, and it can actually store and create memories for you, which I think is the coolest part about this. Now, I've got an internet search in here, as I've mentioned, but I think what might be even more powerful is that if you are a coach, you could actually upload your coaching program into this agent so that it has that knowledge base to start with that is going to be able to create memories or have a conversation with that user in a much more robust way. So that also links in the back end to this database which stores all the different memories. So let's give it a try. We're going to execute the workflow here, and then let's go to this message. Oh, I've just come out of a meeting. I feel really frustrated because I didn't get a chance to say what I really wanted to say, and everybody thought I was really quiet, which is already bad enough because I'm an introvert. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to move past this. Please, can you log this as an entry? So we just send that off. Let's see what it says. I think that, it's logged my memory. Okay, so it's July 16th. You felt frustrated, emotional state. Moving forward, it's important to recognize the feelings of frustration are valid. Okay, so, I mean, it's a pretty generic response right now. And once you've programmed it with your particular coaching sessions that you want to upload to it, then it will be a lot more specific. However, if I feel like this again tomorrow, it would be like, oh, I remember you felt like this after the last meeting. That's a really important key point that we need to recognize, and perhaps you might want to do this differently. So let's just check that it's actually uploaded here. So date 16th here. User attended a meeting, felt frustrated due to not having opportunity to voice their thoughts. So, I mean, emotional state, frustrated, uncertain. How powerful is this going to be when you are, in a low place, or you have a particular thing that you want to get better at? Being able to keep a log of all of these emotions as and when they happen, it's just going to be so powerful, and I really see a lot of uses for it. But I'd love to hear what you think. What kind of uses do you think you could see this being valid for? If this sparks something for you, please hit like and subscribe, and check out the other videos on my channel. I cover real-world uses of AI in the leadership space, operations and consulting, and how we can use these tools to think better and move faster. So if you want to go deeper, you'll find links below to my newsletter and more resources. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.